guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do chicken fried rice, authentic again. I know I keep stressing authentic because I'm gonna stick how the Chinese chefs are gonna prepare on a daily basis in any Chinese restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna stick to authentic Chinese chicken fried rice. Okay, stay tuned guys, thank you. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is, first thing, I've got some oil, so I'm just going to spread it across. I want to saute the chicken first, okay? I'm going to do is, saute the chicken. And then I'm going to keep it aside, because I just want to saute them first. Just make it a bit brownish, and then we should be good, and then we can go ahead with the chicken fried rice. So usually authentic Chinese restaurants, what they do is they use already sautéed chicken, or they just do like a quick fry and then strain it, and then they proceed with the cooking. One more left. Okay, a few more minutes and we should be good. Okay, and I see that the moisture is gone from the chicken pieces. They're looking nice. They're not completely brown, but I think that should be fine. It's almost done. I don't want to overcook and make it stringy or very hard, okay? So I'm gonna just do that. Straight in to the egg. And go ahead, put the veggies in. So as I mentioned, I'm going to use my chili oil. Very colorful, very vibrant, and it's smelling very yummy, guys. So I'm gonna add in the chicken. I think we're good for the rice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a Pok Chow. And right at the end, we're gonna add the spring onions. Okay. Adding a bit of oyster sauce. Should be it. Add a bit of soy sauce. Salt as per the taste. And add a bit of pepper. Adding a bit of chili powder. I'm not gonna add MSG, guys. I know it's authentic, but I really don't like MSG. Apparently, people say it's not recommended, but I know I'm not gonna add MSG. A touch of chili oil. And that's it. Spring onions. And we should be good.